Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a blessed day to all. Our assigned topic is structural design of railways and pavements. We are the group 5. My name is Bai Asrah Bansil together with my co-members Nor Ajambo Kukan, Abdurrahman Aziz, and Zuharto Borrero. Once again, my name is Bai Asrah Bansil and I am assigned to discuss structural design of pavements. So, let's start! Structural design of pavements. The structural design is the methodical investigation of the stability, strength, and rigidity of structures. The basic objective in structural analysis and design is to produce a structure capable of resisting all applied loads without failure during its intended life. It provides all the crucial information to ensure that the structure is built to be safe. A good design will increase the strength and rigidity of a structure. It can reduce the building cost of the structure. The primary purpose of a good design is to withstand various loads for the period it is intended to serve its purpose and lifespan. Highway pavements. It is a structure consisting of superimposed layers of processed materials above the natural soil subgrade whose primary function is to distribute the applied vehicle loads to the subgrade. The pavement structure should be able to provide a surface of acceptable riding quality, adequate skid resistance, favorable light reflecting characteristics, and low noise pollution. So these are some examples of pavements, and later on we will discuss about each composition as well as each types. Requirements of pavement: sufficient thickness to distribute the wheel load stresses, structurally strong to withstand all types of stresses, smooth surface to provide comfort to road users, dust-proof surface so that traffic safety is not impaired by reducing visibility, impervious surface not allowing fluid to pass through so that subgrade soil is well protected, and lastly, a long-term design life with low maintenance cost. Parts of pavements: first layer, the surface course; second layer, the base course; third layer, the sub-base course; and the fourth one is the subgrade, which is the topsoil. The parts of pavements and its definition. The first one is the surface course. Is the layer directly contact with traffic loads and generally contains superior quality materials. They are usually constructed with dense graded asphalt concrete or AC. Its function is to provide characteristics such as friction, smoothness, and drainage that it must be tough to resist the water distortion and allows skid-resistant riding surface. Additionally, it must be waterproof to protect the entire base and subgrade from weakening effect of water. The second one is the base course. It is the layer material immediately beneath the surface of binder course, and it provides additional load distribution and contributes to the subsurface drainage. It may be composed of crushed stone, crushed slag, and other untreated or stabilized materials. The third one is the sub-base course. Is the layer of material beneath the base course, and the primary functions are to provide structural support, improve drainage, and reduce the intrusion of fines from the subgrade in the pavement structure. And the last one is the subgrade. It is the top soil or the layer of natural soil prepared to receive the stresses from layers above. The following types of pavements. The first one is the flexible pavements, the second one is the rigid pavements, and the last one is the composite pavements. The first type of pavements is the flexible pavements. It is the technical term for any asphalt-covered road surface, and it will transmit wheel load stresses to the lower layers by grain-to-grain transfer through the points of contact in the granular structure. The second type of pavements is the rigid pavements. It is the technical term for any road surface made of concrete, and it has sufficient flexural strength to transmit the wheel load stresses to a wider area below. And the third type of pavements is the composite pavements. It is a type of pavement that utilizes both asphalt and concrete. Typically, a concrete base layer provides structural capacity while an asphalt surface layer provides a wearing surface course. As what you can see, it is composed of subgrade, subbase, concrete base, asphalt, and the reflection of crack, because they are usually used to rehabilitate existing roadways rather than in new construction. Its main purpose, the goal of structural design of pavement, is to determine the number, material composition, and thickness of the different layers within a pavement structure required to accommodate a given loading regime. This includes the surface course as well as any underlying base or sub-base layers. That's all to my report. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day to all.